Good afternoon, guys. I'm Gareth from Fueled by Success. We've just finished up in the warehouse for the day, got a few shipments away, which has been fantastic. But I noticed we've got a few messages come through, just asking about Amazon FBA shipping costs. So I thought I'd jump on here and give you guys a bit of an example to see if we could help you out a little bit with that. One of the questions that we got asked was, is it cheaper to send 5 boxes at 15 kilograms or 3 boxes, for instance, 2 at 30 kilograms and 1 at 15 kilograms? The answer to that question from an Amazon point of view is that Amazon work in thresholds. So it doesn't matter how many boxes that you send within a shipment, what matters is the total shipping weight. So in this case, the total shipping weight is 75 kilograms, which when you confirm that, and we calculate it, that shipping total weight is 75 kilograms, equals £21.10 to ship that shipment to Amazon. But that would be the same cost even if you shipped only 3 boxes to Amazon and the total shipping weight was still 75 kilograms, okay? Now, as I mentioned, Amazon work in thresholds. So the way that we try to be at our most cost effective utilising this strategy is once you know the amounts in the thresholds and what you can put in to keep the prices at where they are, you can then utilise that to your advantage. So, for instance, the next threshold is actually 1 kilogram more than 75 kilograms. So if I confirm that, we're now at 76 kilograms as opposed to 75. And you'll now see that the price jumps up to £25.33 to ship that to Amazon. Now, if you know your thresholds, what it will mean though then instead is you could, for instance, go to 3 boxes of 20 kilograms, which would then make the total shipping weight of 90 kilograms. So you can see there, 90 kilograms. We're going to calculate that. And you'll see it's the exact same shipping cost as what it would be to ship at 76 kilograms. So if you know this and you've got space in your box and it means that you could get a little bit extra in there, then you could, for instance, add a bit more into your shipment to get the most out of your money for shipping to Amazon. So you could go right up to that 90 kilograms and he wouldn't be charging you anything additional then. On the flip side, you could take, for instance, a kilogram out and you could, save yourself maybe £4 or £5 on that shipping cost, because the next one down from the 76 kilogram shipping mark would be £21 instead. So it's just worth keeping that in mind. Now, if you was to go above 90 kilograms by 1 kilogram, which we're going to do here, so you'll see now we're at 91 kilograms. This is the next shipping threshold. Now, when we calculate this, you will see that it then goes to £29.54. Okay, so now you're in the next threshold. You could instead go right up to 105 kilograms. So I think that'll be a 25. So if we confirm that, this now should still work out at exactly the same shipping cost as if you were sending just 91 kilograms. Yeah, so £29.54. Okay, so you can utilise these thresholds to get the most out of your money when shipping to Amazon. And it also means that if you're a kilogram over, you could either go down or you can go up to make it best value for you. Obviously, the most you can ever ship to Amazon in any one box is supposed to be 30 kilograms. Otherwise, you can incur warnings, and action from Amazon if you're going over that. So it's worth keeping in mind that, to weigh your shipments and just to make sure that you are, on the right track with that side of things as well. I'm sure we've all been over that at different times, but it's, after you've had a few warnings, it's a good practice to keep in line with that as well. So the next threshold is 1 kilogram more again. So if we went to, you can't go higher than 30 kilograms. So just show you, if you go higher than 31 kilograms, like it states here, the box exceeds the maximum allowed by the carrier and must be repackaged. So, you know, keep those below 30. So you could go, for instance, to 26 kilograms. We'll get there in the end. 26 kilograms. So you're now at 106 kilograms. So we confirm that. You'll now see we're at £33.77. There's lots of thresholds on Amazon for shipping costs. So, you know, if you want to, you know, get in there a little bit more, you can do exactly like I'm doing. And just once you've created your shipment, I don't recommend you all to have a little bit of a play around. Just make sure that so you can familiarise yourself a little bit more with the shipping costs and knowing, you know, where the thresholds are, because there are lower thresholds, there's higher thresholds than what I've showed you in this particular video as well. But once you get a bit more of a gathering of them, then you can utilise those thresholds to make sure that you're getting the best cost-effective shipping cost for your business. But that's it from me, guys, on that side of things. You know, if any of you use any other better or, you know, shipping examples, then please feel free to give me, you know, a direct message on either Instagram or Facebook, or, you know, please comment in the comments below this video as well. Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching today. I'm about to lock up and go home. I'm ready for it today. But like I said, if you want to get in contact, please do. Always happy to help. And I'll hopefully see you all in the next video. Bye from me, guys.